Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Untitled Philippine Adventure. So today, gagawa po tayo ng masarap na sweet and sour chicken. So, how to make this? So we just follow these ingredients. So you have to have 500 grams of chicken breast cut into bite size or cube. Then i-marinate lang natin siya. We will marinate. So we chop 2 cloves of garlic. So i-chop lang natin. Then we will add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and of course salt, and ground paprika. So 1 teaspoon only of ground paprika if you have. So optional lang po ito. Then we will add 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and then 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then of course 1 large egg. I-crack lang natin, then haluin. So we will mix this all together so that all the ingredients or the spices we put in this chicken will be mixed and soaked into the chicken meat. So halo-halo lang. So we will mix this very well. Then after this one, after na ma-mix, we will just chill this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. So chill for 30 minutes. Then while waiting for this chicken will be, so we will make in a separate bowl for our sweet and sour sauce. So 1 can of pineapple slice or pineapple chunk. Pwede. Drain the syrup. So yung syrup po ang gagamitin natin. Then add 3/4 cup of ketchup. And then we will just add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and of course 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and of course 3 tablespoons of white sugar, and 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon salt. Then paghaluin lang natin. So we will mix well. Then after mixing this one, set aside. Then we will fry the chicken. So it's up to you guys if you will deep fry or just like this na hindi, it's not deep frying. So it's okay. So for me it's easy. I love to cook my chicken like this, that it's not really deep in oil. So you just fry this until golden brown. So if you want to become like the chicken will be more crunchy after frying all this one, after 2 minutes you rest the chicken first, and after 2 to 3 minutes then you fry again. So another steps. So salt garlic in a frying pan, of course, with your onion and your bell pepper, and of course add your pineapple slice or pineapple chunk. Then followed the sweet and sour sauce na ginawa mo. So then just bring to boil. Then add your chicken. So ganito lang siya kadali, guys. So and of course mix it well para yung sauce it will be soaked on the meat of the chicken. Then after 2 minutes you have your Vienna sweet and sour chicken. It's ready. So you must try this. It's very easy, and I hope that you like this kind of recipe. So after 2 minutes Tadang! You have your sweet and sour chicken. You have to have rice. Mapaparami ang rice mo nito, guys. So, thank you so much for watching and God bless.